Hi, welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas, and welcome to my channel. Anybody that's new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Everybody that's been rocking with me since the beginning, welcome back. Today, I want to show you a flip through of this journal that I'm working in and working on. It's a side journal to the Days of Winter journal I made. And this is a writing journal, okay? I use this pretty much as a writing journal to be the side piece of the winter journal. And I'm going to show you a little flip through. It got two signatures. It's fabric spine. It's got two signatures. There you go. 1, 2. I decorated it. Got some snowflakes on it. And it's a wonderful time for that because, I mean, we've been in some really cold, icy, snowy, a lot of places weather. And I put a big snowflake on the front, little snowflake here, and if you can see this, let it snow. And this is gonna go with my bigger journal. This is like the birth of the other winter journal. This is the writing one. The other one is just the junk journal with stuff in it, and you can write in that too. But this one is pretty much a writing journal. You'll see when we get into it. I made it with fabric. The bottom of it is fabric. The back of it, this is a pizza box. I made this with a pizza box. The journal to be exact. Pizza box. And I just kept that box and I cut what I needed off of it. And I put paper, scrap paper over this, and I decorated it. Made tags, writing in it, ribbon. Made some little things to go in the pocket. Here's my, got some tags here. Is that the tags I want to use? I got some, y'all know I made some tags as well. This is a pocket, right here. So I got pockets, and I got writing space. This is just stuck right here. This is a pocket. Places to write. I even put book tags here. I might label them, but the person that gets the journal, they can do it themselves. Got writing space. This is going to be a fast video because I just got here to show you this music paper is a vintage 1964. Came in some mail for me. I got another pocket here. I put cardstock to match the cover right here. And all of this, you can do this too. Y'all know I like to recycle stuff. These cards, I had already made these cards. It has two signatures. That's what this means. I made the pockets to store stuff. See how there's nothing on the pages? That's for purposes of someone to have something. The person that get this journal has some writing space and they can do whatever they want in it. This is another tag I made to go in here. Writing on the back. And a pocket here. This is a bag, y'all. This is a bag that I had gotten at Happy Mail. And I just use that bag. I try to use everything I get and recycle it. It's a side pocket. Yeah, I know I've been making my own cards. I've been enjoying that. Making my own ephemera cards. Let's see. Take some of them out of here. And I could put some of this in the pockets. This is vintage. Vintage page that I cut. And I inked it, of course. It's going to go in here. I'm going to put these in here. And these going to go with the journal. This year I'm making journals with the intent to give away or sell. So that's what's going to happen. This blue paper, I love this paper. It was made by a lady in one of the groups I'm in. Isn't it lovely? Writing paper, coffee dye. Little tag here with tuck spot. Just tuck that in there. There. It's just showing that I got writing space in here. This is another, where you see the thread at? That's another signature. This is a tag pocket. So this icicle here for decorations. Well, not an icicle, snowflake. Snowflake, y'all. Snowflake here. Pocket. And this is what you call a writing journal. A journal that, I got the blue tag because I had some more cardstock that I've made. And I just put that on I may put some labels on here, or let the person put them. So there you go. This is another pocket. This is a pocket here. This is a tag. Some writing on it. This is the another little space here. This is a writing sheet. To write something on, I inked it. And that's it, y'all. This is a fast video of this flip through to my journal, my junk journal, my side piece to the Days of Winter journal. This is the writing. It goes with that, the other one. So I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I told you this wouldn't be a long video. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is some of the work I do. I make junk journals and art journals and crafts and things. Miss T Ideas. I come up with ideas and I love to recycle, upcycle. And like I said, this was a pizza box. You find anything of interest on this video? Please like and subscribe to my channel. Share if you like it. But please subscribe. It helps the algorithm, and I appreciate it so, so much. Miss T Ideas. See you next time on the next video. Bye-bye now.